Okay, so number 6. So how do we do it? So basically they're giving us what's called Venn diagrams. We're gonna do a lot of these on our next meeting, which will be Friday. So Venn diagrams. Venn is the person that came up with this way of representing sets many moons ago. This mathematician Venn came up with this. And so basically it's showing circles. So right in the middle, what you wanna do is step 1 is you wanna start with the middle, the overlap. So right here, this is the overlap, isn't it? It's the intersection, the overlap or the intersection of A and B. So look up there. Here's the universal set. It's the alphabet up to J, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, right? And then we got capital A and capital B. Are those sets? We're using letters now instead of numbers. And we want the overlap. So see how that's circle A overlapping with circle B? So what's in the overlap? What's in common to A and B? Let's take a look. I'm just going to go down A. Do they both have a B? I don't think so. A D? Yes, they both have a D. So I'll put that down here. That's in the overlap. That's in common, right? G, they don't both have a G. I, yes, they both have an I. J, no. So that must be the overlap. Let me pause there for a second. Do you see how I found that overlap? I just found what's in both circles, what's in both sets. So remember, whenever you do that, you just go down one of the sets. I just went down A, crossing things off or circling them if they're a match with something in B, if they're in both sets and they're thus in the overlap. Step 2, now do the A only section. Right here is the A only section, right? Because if something's out here, if something's in this area, it's only in circle A, notice. It's not in circle B, right? This is the A only area. See how that's true on the circle? Just A. So what letters, if you go back up here, what letters are in A only? They're not in B.
A, B, B, G.
And J, right? B, G, and J. Yeah. Everybody see that? B, whoops, let me go back here. Right? Because it's B, G, and J. Because those are the ones that are just in A. B, G, and J. Those 3 are only in A. They're not in B. See, the 2 that are also in B are D and I, aren't they? Is this so far so good? Does this make sense? So right now, look at circle A. It matches circle A. B, D, G, I, J, they're all there. They're just in different places because some of them are in the overlap. They're shared in common with B. And some of them are in the A only region. That's what's really nice about Venn diagrams is they show all the separations very clearly. They show what's in common, they show what's separate. Next, you want to do the B only. So let's do the B only. In fact, you can make that all one step. Just do the A only and the B only. So what's in B only? So we just go, oh, little a, little c, little e, little h. Right? Because D and I were part of the overlap. The other letters, A, C, E, and H, are in the B only territory. Finally, Step 3, do the outside. Because the whole, notice the box, the whole box is the universe. The whole box is the universe. So this right here is the outside. I'll put it right here. This is the outside of A and B, right? Outside of A and B, but still in the universe, right? They're out. What is outside of circles A and B, but still part of the universe? The universe stops at J. Well, I would just go down the alphabet. I'd go A, got it, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. So far, they're all in A or B. A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, F, yeah, I don't see F anywhere, right? Look, there's no F anywhere. So F is an outsider. Yeah. Let's keep going. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Yeah, all the rest, and we're done with the universe. So it's just F. F is the only outsider. That's the only letter outside of A and B that's part of the universe. And so there we go. So how did we do that? So step 1, we found the middle overlap. We found out what was in both circles, A and B, and that was the little d and the little I. Then we did the A only and the B only. And then we found what was on the outside. The Venn diagram shows the breakdown really nicely of all that stuff.